What's up, guys? Josiah here. We're playing. Actually, we're not playing Gorilla Tag. We're playing Bird Runners, and we're watching J-Man. I love you, man. And you can't turn. We're playing basketball. See, hold up. I said, I'm a good hooper. I said. Slam. Oh, hold on. Slam. Oh, hold on. Slam. What the heck are you doing? Okay. Yeah. Are you not? Screw you. You gotta turn. Are you kidding me? I mean, I don't want to get copyrighted, but mute. What the what? Let's do tutorial. Tutorial.
Hello, and welcome to Bird Runners. This short tutorial will go through the basics of the game.
Okay. Yay. See?
This game has flap mechanics. You can hold down the A button to flap your hands.
How do I? I'm looking at my, What? I'm confused. How do I? My arms are crippled. I'm joking. So like, I'm holding A. Well, I guess I'm gonna be stuck like that. Here we go.
This concludes the tutorial. If you'd like to hop into the main game, please press the button on the table over there.
Okay. I need to go back. I need to learn how do I
This game has flap mechanics. You can hold down the A button to flap your hands.
Oh, that's what you're supposed to do. Okay. I'm getting out of here. Latest. Oh,
this game has flap mechanics. You can hold down the. This concludes the tutorial. If you'd like to hop into the main game, please press the button on the table over there.
Yeah. Oh, that would have been so cool if I jumped down and. There we go. What happened to my arms? My arms are gone. I'm invisible. I'm a vampire. Woo! Alright, let's name. Ooh, a worm. Jerry the worm. I'm sorry. Currently MP. I want to have some fun. Oh, that's what I did. Okay. How do I freaking main color? Okay, let's go with yellow, cause hello, that's my color. Yellow, pick a color. Yellow. Okay, yellow. Hello, yellow name. Okay, let's go with J O S. I can't see my arms. That's why. I A H. All right. Now we put in the B and the R. Name current unavailable. What do you mean? Enter. Enter. And enter. Oh, screw you, you bloody shit. I'll still be known for exercise VR. JOS1. Let's try my TikTok username. No. Backspace. A H N B R. Okay. It says name current. There we go. Back to star. What do you mean back to star? Oh, it just brings me back here. Okay, I see how it is. Okay. Just bounce around. Okay, don't freak out. This is your first time inside. Don't freak out. Alright, tutorial.
Hello, and welcome to Bird Runners. This short tutorial will go.
What did I do? What did I do?
This game has flap mechanics. You can hold down the A button to flap your hands.
Let me out of here. So that's what it looks like.
This game has flap mechanics. You can hold down the A button to flap your hands. This concludes the tutorial. If you'd like to hop into the main game, please. This concludes the tutorial. If you'd like to hop into the main game, please.
Alright. Let's try, Hey. No. It's very confusing. Okay. Let's go. I'm very scared for what's about to happen. I don't want to be alone, but to the beach. Well, I mean, you could turn this game, but okay, this doesn't look as bad as I thought. Okay, let's I can't even see myself. I'm already good at the game. But I mean, I played Gorilla Tag before, so. Whee! See, one thing you don't know is that I can fly. I can bloody fly. I am Brian. Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh, no. Come on. Oh, okay. How do I? Oh, that's slow. Crank it up to. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. Yeah, that's good. Not connect. Ah! Server 3. Is it working? Whoa! How dare you push me? I'm trying to. Paste in. We're not connected. Ah! Well, I mean, let's just explore a bit. Alright. Oh, Flappy Bird. Oh! Nope. On the first try, I died. Okay. Let's go. No, let's go up there. Whoa! Okay, good. Oh. Wait. Can I? I'm learning the basics, alright? Leave me alone. Whoa! Ah! No, no. Oh, I didn't know you could land on here. I'm going as high as I can. No, no. Don't tell me I can't reach the map. No! Well, I'm gonna go back to the start. I'ma chill in my room and watch J-Man I'm gonna watch J-Man Curly. Oh yeah, suck me off, J-Man. I'm sorry. J-Man, if you're watching this video, which possibly not, please don't cancel me. I was just kidding. Oh my gosh, I suck. Woo! Oh. It's for Kobe. Please do it for Kobe. Come on, game. Please do it for Kobe, man. Mwah. Kiss a little button. Go. No. Okay, there's no way you can miss this one. You're literally close to it. How? Can you? If my reach, I can do it. Ah! Let's go. Take that. Oh, can I do it back here? Just regularly throw it. Where'd it go? Ball, come back here. Okay, you know what? Come here. What? Ah! Let's go. Oh, I think I know the trick. I think I know what to do. Yeah! Now what? I can't. I forgot I can't. That derpy ass face. Pretty sure I could just like. Wait, what? Oh, I thought that was something else. Wait, what? Why is there an ad playing on my TV? Well, I don't know what to say, but this game is pretty cool. I don't know if I can connect to any servers but I'll try figuring it out. What? Wait, did I just do something? Hold up. Wait, hold up. Can I? Slam dunk! Ah, you made me miss it. What is wrong with you, game? What is wrong with you? Like, literally, what's wrong with you? Like, is there a ghost here? Like, I swear to God. Like, what are you doing? What? That was literally a shot. You know what? Side court. The side. I'm done. No. I don't know what I did, but I think I just hit the thing. I did it before! Hold on, can I go up here? Of course not, you can't go up there. Well, guys, I'm in here. I'm gonna watch some J-Man. So if you enjoyed today's video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Say bye, J-Man. Say bye, J-Man. J-Man, listen to me. Oh my gosh, you know what? Bye, y'all.